Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on Aubit since they have added a few new features and updated the website. In my opinion, it looks much cleaner now, but let's see what is new. They've added a notice period. That's the time you have to wait before selling. Let's get more information on that. You can see if you put it to 30 days, you earn an extra 10%, but that means you have to wait 30 days until you can sell. And over here you can find how your rewards are calculated. For example, my base rewards are 20% and my Freeway tokens give me another 10%, and so on. What's also new is that in the future you can make a purchase with your debit or credit card, and Aubit is available in the US. On top of that, you can stake your Freeway tokens to earn 15 to 30% annually if you lock them for 30 days. I think the Freeway token is doing very well and has been growing nicely this year, and the market cap is still low. I'm super happy how things develop with Aubit so far. I remember the first video we did in August last year. Go ahead and watch it if you want more information on Aubit. For now, it's one of the best staking sites when it comes to risk-reward ratio. Let me know if you're currently staking on Aubit.